We're here by the Lake of Galilee. We're actually very close to the first century fishing village of Capernaum. Now, when you come into Capernaum, you get access into how first century Jews lived, specifically a first century fishing village. You'll get access to what they consider or think is Peter's home, perhaps the very home where Jesus came and healed his mother-in-law. You'll get access to a 4th century CE limestone synagogue. But many suspect that under that limestone synagogue are the foundation stones of a 1st century synagogue, a synagogue that would have existed and Jesus would have participated in on the Sabbath. Luke tells us that going to the synagogue was his custom. Also, we learn how people live in 1st century villages. Here you have a specific design of house called the insula homes, a square structure with a central courtyard that was used by an extended family. When we come here and read the Gospels, along with what we have in this 1st century village, it allows us to paint a new picture of how Jesus lived, what Jesus taught about, and where Jesus walked.